start it.
Hey, there's only one bad thing. You don't run.
Here, Chad, I'm gonna start it. That's protector.
What do you
Hey.
think about this birthday present?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it's just for looks.
Cam, who got you that birthday present? Uncle Shane did?
No, your mom and dad did too.
It was Shane, Mom, it's up there. And Brandy.
You gotta start it.
You better thank your mechanic up there, Uncle Sean, too.
Ready? Thank you.
You like it?
Move your foot. You're gonna get right out of it. Yeah.
Shouldn't have to, Chad.
Really? You gotta start it? He just
I just riding it.
Okay. Put your hand on the brake. Pull hard on that brake.
He was just riding it. Which way's it on?